Okay, the cool thing about this Carter, this is a K3 pull-behind pressure washer. And the cool thing about this, it's mobile. It will follow you wherever you want to go, which is completely different than any other pressure washer.
What can we do with a pressure washer?
You clean patios, your house, your driveway. I'm going to show you.
Yeah, let's watch the video.
Personally, I love using a power washer for the patio furniture and the patio and even the driveway. First off, you have this power washing the gun right here. Make sure you know how to hold it. Use 2 hands. The cool thing about this one has 2 different tips that you can easily pull off and change. This is the variable power speed, and this is the dirt blaster, so it's gonna give a little bit more pressure. You wanna make sure you start about 18 inches away and slowly move your way in, because it is pretty powerful, and you don't want that stuff to spit back in your face. And just go back and forth in a nice side-to-side motion. All right, time to start cleaning this building. Rach, don't ever say I didn't do anything for you. Yeah, there we go. And one of the best features about the Carter K3 Follow Me, it's gonna follow me. I can go wherever I want to. Come on, buddy. Come on. It's like a little puppy. Yeah, cool thing about that. And the cool thing about that, it follows you wherever you want to go, and I cleaned up the outside of your building. What's up?
Thank you, by the way. I never thought I wanted a pressure washer before, now I do.